All right, Dang Jack's go with the Blues. So, hey, Shane. So we got a winner for the big skillet. Lisa Currents. She got to be all right, man, because she loves that Alta Cucina. Then we got Paywan Kumar. Paywan Kumar gets one of those skillets. Let's see. Lisa was from San Diego. Paywan is from Virginia. Kent Bowling, Benton, Missouri. So we'll be getting those skillets out next week. They might need a little bit of loving, tender care, but they have some history. Hey, Jack's go with the Blues. Peace.